what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
I ordered a Party Woo balloon kit last night just because I hadn't actually had time to. They've got quite nice colours actually. I used one of these the first time I ever did a balloon arch. And actually, for the product, like this was £7 I think. So I think for the most part I'm going to use this. And then I have gone and had a little dig around. So I have got some red balloons, some rose gold ones, some Valentine's Day foil ones, as well as some like just, oh, can't see it through the packet, but pastel pink ones, more pink, a whole load of gold. But obviously where these are the more like expensive balloons, because they are like proper balloons like Sempertex and Qualitex and stuff, I think I'm going to use the Party Woo kit for the most part because it's for one day, isn't it? If it's for a birthday, like they tend to be up for a while, because like for Katerina's birthday for instance, it'd be her actual birthday and then almost a week later is actually her party, so those balloons have got to last like a while. Oh, and some Bobo balloons as well, so I might put some like 5-inch balloons in like some of these as well. I think for the most part I'm going to do this kit. Let me do a Bobo first actually. I want to see how I'm feeling about it. So you have a big clear balloon there's now. Oh, to be fair, it's been a while since I've done one of these. I didn't actually stretch it. So that's gone alright to be fair. Basically you're gonna I'm obviously still trying to work out like camera setups and tripods and stuff. I feel like this camera is really poor at focusing now. So you're gonna shove it up inside the clear balloon and then you're going to inflate it inside. So I have now inflated it inside. I'm going to tie it off. And then I'm going to chop off the neck.
It doesn't come off. It doesn't come off.
Why? Hello. You're not supposed to be on the tubes of you.
Oh, this is YouTube.
Mummy,
You can include the bit where you get
what
pissed
are
off.
you doing?
The pump won't work.
Why?
It just doesn't work. So annoying.
It's not blowing any air out.
Like half inflates and half doesn't kind of thing. It's
Come on,
so
how'd you come, girls?
embarrassing.
How'd you come? Mummy's busy. Come on, yeah.
So I'm doing another one of these ones. I'm now more on a roll with it. So what I've been doing is shoving it right up the inside there, and then inflate it. I'm not sure how well you can see, but time is of the essence, so unfortunately I can't work in loads of different camera angles and stuff today. With Katerina's birthday stuff I'll be able to, or should be able to, because hopefully Delilah won't be ridiculously poorly at that point. I actually really quite like that. And I don't think I want this one too big, because I feel like I want the balloons just kind of just have enough space to kind of exist in there. Just like that, I think. Is how you want it. So I like to do this way. And then, as I said earlier, then got a way to tie it into the garland as well. Beautiful. I think I'm gonna let the kids play with these ones now. But yeah, so this is with more of a gap, which this one is obviously much fuller and less of a gap. It would look really cool with like confetti in this as well. But yeah, because I don't know what I'm actually planning on doing until the kids are in bed later, all these stink for starters. I'm just going to like pair them off, blow two off at a time and then tie them together essentially. I'm not going to overinflate them too much just because they feel like really quite thin. They'll do the job. So I did that too quickly to even actually let you know what I was doing. So you're going to put one on each pump. Inflate them up. Release some air so they've got a rounder shape, and then you're going to take two, cross them over so you've literally got a cross like that. So that's them separate. Cross them over and twist it around. And then tie it. And then you can either like twist them around to like make a quad like that, or use one of these like long balloons and like twist them around each other. As I said, I don't know what I'm doing yet, so I'm just going to pair them off in probably the same colours to the same colours. And yeah, big balloon. Got some big bags just to store them in until later. So when the kids are in bed I can actually just do it. They're so vacuum packed. So as you can see, this one's like a pear sort of shape. You don't want it to be that shape, you want it to be rounder, like that. Like so. I actually quite like this kit. For the price and for like what it's, you know, doing. It's not bad. Not bad at all.
Falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
I'll be back when I've inflated more because this is going to look really, really boring. Okay, so we're switching to a voiceover for these parts. So I'm now just using my Cricut to cut out some white vinyl for the Valentine's cards and some iron-on pink glitter vinyl for the ribbons of the presents. Now you can see me here weeding
the glitter vinyl, so that all cut fine, but I did it with like more pressure and like really, my mat is losing its stick basically and needs a good clean. However, I have just bought some new mats anyway because I needed some longer ones. But yeah, I wanted to try this out because I saw it on TikTok. Of course I saw it literally like a few days after Christmas, but it was this girl like putting, like, she used her straighteners to iron on names onto the ribbons of her Christmas presents. Oh my god, so beautiful. So I wanted to try it out because obviously if this worked well, I wanted to try it for Christmas this year. And I can confirm it did. I did wonder whether like just running over the straighteners like very quickly would actually make it go on, and it did. And it actually worked. It was very, very effective. And now you can see me doing the vinyl. So Bella's name cut out absolutely fine, whereas the girls' ones, it just didn't cut out properly. I was trying my hardest to weed it and try and convince it to, you can see where it was supposed to be cut, trying to convince it to come out, and it just was not happening. So I was going to get my Cricut out later that night, but I was just so tired when it came to it, so I was like, actually I'm just going to go to bed. And you know what, I can just save the cards and keep them till next year because they're not really that fussed by cards anyway, especially the younger two. So luckily the ones that were for the balloons cut completely fine, so I was able to do that. But yeah, I will save the cards for next year and they won't go to waste. So I'm now just using my GHDs to, first time I've used them in about 5 years, to iron onto the names onto the ribbon. I was really worried the ribbon was going to melt. It didn't. It kind of shrunk a little bit, but not really. Like, you can, if you really look at it, you can kind of tell. But yeah, I was really, really happy with the effect they gave. So for the table setup, I am using this balloon table stand thing because I bought it for one of the gender reveals we had. I think it was for Olivia's gender reveal. So we've had it for quite a few years, and it did come, I think, with some plastic clips that like slot onto it, but I am not about that life. I'd rather twist the balloons around it and know that they're like securely tight in place. Because also if you use those clips as well, you have to tie each balloon individually and then like clip it on. It's so much more work. I don't know why balloon kits don't just tell you how to just do it, because it's much more work just trying to do each individual balloon. And I've got some like dangling hearts which you can see me putting up. And I'm putting some Valentine's picks into this vase. These vases were like £1 from Temu. They're plastic. They don't look especially plastic. They do when you're looking at them really close up and holding them. But like actually, if they're sat in front of you, they look more expensive than what they are. I just wanted a vase to kind of, that could be pulled out for certain events, that can just be thrown in a box. It's not going to smash and kind of goes with everything because it's white. And I got some roses and we separated them for the 3 girls, so they had their own little bouquet of flowers. And then now I'm going in with the smaller balloons and just kind of like the finishing touches really. Also these heart balloons, so this is actually a week after, you can actually put a straw into them and deflate them and you can reuse them again. How perfect.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me